Where's the letter K over here? Good job. K is for key. Where's the key? That's close. It looks like a key. That's a ring. There's the key. Oh, that's the L. The L goes here. For leaf. Right here. There we go. Now can you put the K down? Where does the K go?
No.
Where does the K go? Papa, help. Does it go here?
No.
Does it go here?
No.
Does it go here?
No.
Yay! Alright, next on the agenda, moon.
Moon.
Moon starts with the letter M. Alright, halfway there. Nest starts with the letter N. Where's the letter N? Where's the letter N? That's an S. Where's the N? Alright. Octopus starts with O. Where's the letter O? That's a Q. That's close. Looks like an O, but see, it's got this little line right there. That means it's a Q. Where's the O? There we go. O is for octopus. Blueberry's going to help find him. Alright, where's the P? For pear. P is for pear. Where's the P?
No.
Good job! Good job, Blueberry. Where P is for pear. Where's the pear?